China's manufacturing industry has taken an amazing leap into the era of dark factories, fully automated facilities that operate without human presence and lighting, meaning that with no workers present, they even keep the lights off to save electricity. This transformation is driven by advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, robotics, and the Internet of Things, IoT. I welcome you to yet another episode of Digivation Insights, where we'll bring you insights on topics, issues, and developments. Stay tuned.
This is Digivation Network.
In these dark factories, AI technology controls machinery, monitors processes, and adjusts operations in real time, enabling production around the clock without interruptions. For instance, Bao Steel's dark factory in Shanghai uses AI to power its production, creating an intelligent work environment that requires almost no artificial lighting. The factory's control room, known as the factory brain, monitors real-time production data, reducing the workload of operators by over 90%.
这个湛江钢铁是一个流程相对简洁，而且有一定的规模效益。在这个基础上，它是一个产品品种质量相对其他的一些钢厂来说，我们的档次相对是比较高的。湛江钢铁呢，在前期策划的时候，我们考虑到我们在环保的投入等等方面，跟湛江的这个区域相适应。在这方面，我们做了很多工作。我们在前期做这个设备投资的时候，大于10%以上的投资是用于环保上面的。比如我们的烧接，我们有脱硫，还有脱硝，而且是在国内应该说这是比较领先的，因为比较新的一些技术。
Also, Xiaomi's smartphone factory in Beijing, which produces over 1 million smartphones annually, uses mechanical arms to assemble foldable phones with high precision, handling over 200 steps in the production process.
They do a lot of technology innovation. We're doing the same, but our model is different. We want to sell as low as possible instead of selling at a premium price. You have to keep the innovating spirit. Smartphone market is very competitive. You have to do a lot of exciting things every day.
Recently, the Xi'an Aerospace Propulsion Institute achieved 24-hour production of rocket ignition parts using automated equipment. Other manufacturers in different parts of the world are following suit, such as Fanuc's Autonomous Robot Factory in Japan, which produces thousands of robotic units without human supervision. Also, Siemens Hamburg Electronics plant in Germany uses AI-driven systems to manage production with minimal human intervention. Additionally, Baogang Group's dark factory in Inner Mongolia uses robots to separate slag from molten steel, reducing labor costs and improving production efficiency. With the increasing adoption of AI and robotics, the benefit of dark factories cannot be overemphasized. Automated production enables factories to operate around the clock without breaks, thereby leading to increased productivity. AI-powered vision systems ensure rigorous quality control processes. Automated production minimizes the need for human labor, in essence reducing costs. Automated production also reduces the risks of workplace accidents, enhancing safety in such work environments. However, the transition to dark factories also poses challenges, such as high initial investment, as implementing dark factories require substantial capital for AI infrastructure and robotic equipment. Furthermore, automated production requires specialized skills to maintain and repair equipment, making the operation complex. With China and other advanced countries entering this era of dark factories running 24/7 using only robots, manufacturing industry have the potential to revolutionize production processes and improve efficiency. Hannah Hedger for Digivation Network. See you soon.
Tech innovation and lifestyle. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. www.youtube.com/Digivation Network.